So this is why I think that this lamp over here, this lamp that this brand sent to me for this video, it's a fantastic corner lamp. And I'm going to show you why in a few seconds, but this is how I use it. I just have it in that corner. And as you can see over here, it has a neon light, like a neon rope that goes from the bottom to the upper part. And actually, I have it pointing at the wall because, as I was saying before, this is a fantastic lamp as a lamp itself, but also it's a great corner lamp just to create like a cozy vibe, cozy atmosphere. And it comes with an app, but also comes with a remote controller, which I think it's super, super convenient. Let me actually show some of the features to you. So now you can see how tall it is. I'm 5'10", and it's fairly kind of like the same height. So I think it's about like 6 feet or something like that. But then let me actually turn off the lights. Alexa, turn off all the lights. Let's see if it does it. Just like that. Alexa, turn off the studio lights. Okay, and now I'm gonna actually turn off this one over here. And as you can see over here, I had it with, well, now we don't have too much light, but I had it paired with the Lexi, because I'm not gonna say the name so it doesn't wake up, but I had it paired with that. Just like this, for example, Alexa, turn on the studio lights. And this one's going to turn on back again because I do have it paired with the voice control. So you can actually use that for, you can actually use it with the Google one, of course. But things that I like about this one, and then I'm going to just turn off all the lights so you can see better. But then you're going to see this, which I think is the best thing for sure. Let me show you this one to you. You can see that you can rotate this part over here, which I think it is fantastic. Just to give, you may be going a little bit blind if, oh yeah, I'm seeing this on my watch. And the good thing about this one is that it also comes with different temperatures. So this one is a 16 million color. Let me show you something to you. So as you can see over there, it has a heavy base, which, by the way, the whole thing was so easy to assemble. And then you're going to see that comes with that neon rope that extends from the bottom part to the upper part, with 16 million colors and 1800 lumens, which I think it is fantastic. But talking about the upper part, the part that actually gives you the light and that you can rotate with that head at the upper part, it gives you from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin temperature. So that is a really nice range. By the way, you have the app, but also you have a remote controller over here that you can just control the same things with your voice. You can actually put the music mode, you can put the night mode, you can put the RGB modes, and control the Kelvin temperature as well. So you can see how cozy that light is. It's super, super cozy. But now with the remote control, I'm actually gonna put some dim the light. As you can see over here, you can dim it with the remote control, and we just like turn it off all around, or you can just go up as much as you want, up to 6500 Kelvin. And then you can change the temperature as well. You can kind of like change it to the cold white, as you can see over there, to the super cold white, which I think it is really good for a studio. Like, for example, if you're filming or something like that, having the chance to actually do that with just the app or the remote control and change it from the super cold to the kind of like light yellow or yellow light, you can actually do that as well. And then you can turn on and off the RGB, as you can see over there, or you can just change the color. So you can actually turn off this one, which is going to be the upper part, and just change the RGB by itself. So you can see that this one, you can change it all around. You can change all the colors, which I think it is a really nice thing to do just for having this one, like, for example, in the cycling mode and just like the rainbow mode or things like that. You can do it just everything with the remote controller or with the app, as I like to say. I do like the one that kind of like cycles the whole spectrum of light, which I think that's the best thing about this one, is that it just like cycles the whole spectrum or RGB lights in one single mode. And here you can see some of the modes, just like this one, or you can just put it in a fixed mode, or just like keep changing, or this one that is flashing, or this one that is flashing even faster. You have some really good modes over there that you can just keep like circling. But I think the best one, I mean, I don't know about the best one. This is the one that I like. This one, this kind of like pulse and rainbow. But I do think that having that on a music mode, that's even better. So one more time, I think that this is a fantastic corner lamp that you can actually point at objects just like that, or you can actually go up and right, you can go left, you can just create kind of like a really nice and cozy atmosphere in a corner. That's what I was kind of like what I like this one. It's just like pointing at the wall and having the RGB lights going on top of it, which I think it is super, super nice. But of course, it also is a really good lamp for like a studio, and it's going to give you a really nice kind of like nice vibe of the RGB lights and techie vibes. And of course, having this one from a range of 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin with an app, with voice control and a remote controller as well. So you have all the options with this really easy to assemble, nice, cozy, and techie, nerdy lamp over here. I love it.